Do you enjoy eating your meals outdoors or just kind of hanging out front when your neighbors get home? This would be a good floor plan for you here at Dry Creek Oaks. Lot 2, residence 2105, that stands for 2,105 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. There's 2 patios, one out front, which is where I'm sitting, and then one in the back. There's a covered patio. Lots of space for entertaining. Large dining area, family room, living room, and a big kitchen. Why don't we step inside and check it out? Ba ba da ba da.